Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a care package that my friend Zoe gave me. So every month for the past like almost year, we've been doing a monthly themed package and like sending it to each other. And it's like the cutest thing ever. So this month, actually, July we did a beach one. And then August it's kind of like a back to school package because we're going back to school soon. So yeah, this is the package that she gave me. I'm really excited to open it. So I opened it and it looks like this inside. So this is everything. So let's see. Okay. Just a little letter. It says, "Hey sis, I had so much fun doing this back to school cookies package." Alright, we were gonna send each other cookies too. Ignore ugly Amazon box. LOL. Hope you enjoy. Miss you. See you ASAP. People in edge. Love you like a sis. Ooh, I didn't look yet. Good luck in school this year. Kill it. My BFF sis. Your lip. This is so cute. Flip me. I love this. This is so cute. She always has like the cutest little postcards. The next thing I see is this. Oh my god, I was so excited for this. This is literally so cute. It's a little like makeup pouch. She got one for me and she got one for herself. I think this is like the cutest thing. It's pink and has stars on it. Oh my god, it's adorable. I'm gonna put like my pens and pencils, or maybe I'll just put like chopsticks and you know, the usual. So, ooh, this is cute. Pomegranate vanilla scented hand sanitizer. I love hand sanitizer and she knows that. Ooh, it smells so good. This smells so good. It's really cute. I could just hang it on my school bag or something. The next thing I see are pens and highlighters. Ooh, these are cute. And of course, you could always use highlighters, and the pens are really cute. Oh, I love these. I have so many of these too. These little Post-its. I have like so many of these. I love these, and I use them. This little hair tie. I think I have the same one actually. That's so funny. Oh, cute. What is this? Oh, more Post-its. These are cute. I really like these. These are cute. Oh, and a hair tie. Cute. And then we have some, ooh, gum. We love gum. She's always the best. I always get so much gum from her. The next two things I do see in here are these little cute cookies. I'm so excited I could bring these to like class with me and just munch on them. I really like the fudge strips. I never had this oatmeal raisins one from Miss Fields though, so can't wait to try that. Oh, there's so much like stuff in here. Ooh, what is this? Are these? Oh my god, these are cool. These are like these little markers thingy bobbers. I can't wait to use this. Love Beauty and Planet. Oh, it's a moisturizing hand cream. I wish I could smell it, but I'm sure it smells good and it looks like this. Ooh, another scrunchie. We love scrunchies. Oh, this is so cute. Love, it's a little washi tape. I've actually been like starting to like use my planner, and this is perfect for it. Oh my god, she's like the best. Oh my god, this is so cute. A little mini Laneige lip mask and the little like sample for it too. So that's ooh, I actually was looking for one of these. A little eraser. This is cute. Ooh, I actually have one of these. It's white too. That's so funny. Oh my god. More pens. Ooh, I like these. I gotta start using them. Well, I'm excited to use all these. Oh my god. She's like the best because like another one of these. There's so many stickers in here. Oh my god. There's literally so much. Oh my god, let's look through them. This is so cute. This one's really cute. These are little reminder, celebrate, happy birthday ones. These are these little icons that are really cute. Ooh, payday stickers. I need those, definitely. For payday. These are Friday. Oh, I like these. I'm going to start using this one. The library. Ooh, I like this one. These are cute. Best day ever. Don't forget. smile and these little dots. They're really super cute. Oh, this was a birthday one and a celebration one. I could actually use this one because, yeah, these are really cool. Ooh, these are appointment cards. I really needed these, honestly, because your girl got a lot of appointments coming up. And, oh, days of the week. These are cute, too. Numbers for the month. These are really cute, and I really like everything. So, thank you, Zoe, for everything. I can't wait to use all this when I go back to school. And yeah, I'm like really excited. Like, this is really cute. I love doing these packages with her. It's just like the best. It's a little like surprise every single month. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys like some of these gifts that I got. These are like perfect for back to school if you want to send your friend a gift or something, or a gift for yourself, and they're absolutely perfect. And I love them. So thank you, Zoe. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.